My name is Pamela Bustos from Universidad Nacional de Córdoba, Argentina, and I will be presenting the work entitled Silver Nanoparticles Synthesized with Quercetin Protect Against Nanonicotinoid-Induced Oxidative Stress in Human Trophoblasts. Acetamiprid is a neonicotinoid insecticide that causes an increase of reactive oxygen species and a decrease in activity of superoxide, dismutase, and catalase enzymes. In preliminary studies by our group, silver nanoparticle synthesized with quercetin, a flavonoid isolated from leaves of Labidovidentis, prevent the decrease in cell viability caused by NEO in the first trimester human trophoblast cell line H38SB-NEO. The aim of the work was to evaluate the effect of these nanoparticles on reproduction, cell activity, and gut activity in trophoblast cells exposed to NEO. Quercetin was obtained by macerating of Labidovidentis leaves, popularly known as FICE, with ethanol and water, followed by hydrolysis, partitioning, and purification by chromatography. 2 silver nanoparticles were synthesized using 10 millimolar silver nitrate and quercetin at pH 12. For one of them, 1 millimolar sodium citrate was used as an additional stabilizer. Both were incubated with shaking for 24 hours at 37 degrees Celsius. The nanoparticles were characterized by UV spectrophotometry, TIM microscopy, and DLAs. For in vitro assays in human trophoblast cell line, cells were pretreated 1 hour with both nanoparticles at different concentrations and then incubated 24 hours with NEO, 100 micromolar. Cross production was determined by fluorescence assays, while salt and gut activity were determined by spectrophotometry. 2 nanoparticles were synthesized, Q3 containing only quercetin and QC4 containing quercetin and sodium citrate. Q3 exhibited a maximum absorbance peak at 412 nanometers, a spherical shape, a size of 18 nanometers, and a zeta potential of minus 27 millivolts. The concentration in the pure nanoparticle suspension was 53 picomolar, calculated using the Ugerabite method. QC4 exhibited a maximum peak at 401.9 nanometers, a spherical shape, a size of 50 nanometers, and a theta potential of minus 34 millivolts, with a concentration in the pure nanoparticle of 2 nanomolar. Regarding the protective effect against neotoxicity in the trophoblast, Q3 represented in the green graph prevent the increase in ROS production induced by NEO and allow the restoration of cell activity at all concentration evaluated, while restoring gut activity to values similar to cellular control at below 0.21 picomolar. Furthermore, QC4 represented in the violet graph prevent the increase in cross and allowed the restoration of CAF activity across the entire concentration range, while salt activity reached baseline levels below 8 picomolar. So, the silver nanoparticle synthesized with quercetin demonstrated a protective effect against the oxidative imbalance induced by NEO in the trophoblast. Further studies are needed to investigate more thoroughly. Thank you very much.